Howdy friends, today's unboxing the mobile stand I purchased from this on Amazon Prime. I'm a member of Prime, Amazon Prime. Let's start the unboxing. Before start the video, please like and video, please subscribe my channel, please share this video. If you need like this unboxing my channel, check in the top I button, a playlist, more videos like this unboxing online product. Let's start the unboxing. Amazon Prime sale. Like 2 days I purchased from there. The delivery very fast. The one day delivery get fast. Packing is very good. Nice. Get some 200 rupees only. You normal Prime, non-Prime member, you get 400 rupees. The wood stand is on. This is your stand. You keep it here, keys, everything hanging there. Keep it in the top, watch anything. Your cell phone, a charger stand, also charger wire kept in there. Keep it here. Door side. The build quality is okay, not bad. Guys, like and video, subscribe my channel, please share this video. Need more video like this unboxing, check in the top I button for more videos. More videos like this unboxing. You need anything, question, comments in the comment section. You need like this product you'll purchase, I'll give you a link to want to purchase. Guys, buy and share this video and like.